Hi, welcome to Science 1206, Unit 1, the Weather Dynamics Unit. I'm Ms. Ledwell, and this lesson is an introduction to weather. Let's begin. What is weather? The weather is the physical conditions of the atmosphere at a specific time and place. For example, the wind speed and direction, air temperature, cloud cover, and humidity. Weather forecasting involves predicting the state of the atmosphere at a future time and a specific place. Using multiple data sets collected from across the globe, meteorologists use models and technology to analyze weather patterns and make educated predictions about weather conditions, such as temperature, precipitation, and wind speeds. Accessing the forecasted weather conditions helps us plan our daily activities, protect our homes and belongings, and ensures people's safety. Now let's have a look at the components of weather. The first weather component we'll look at is temperature. Temperature can be understood both qualitatively, as a sensation of coolness or warmth we feel, and quantitatively, as a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. Remember that qualitative means that data is described using words. Qualitative data is based on observations and the information collected using your senses. Quantitative, on the other hand, means that data is collected and described using numbers. I remember that quantitative uses numbers because it has an N in it, N for number. The next component of weather we'll look at is precipitation. Precipitation refers to any form of water, liquid or solid, that falls from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface. This includes rain, snow, and hail. Our next component is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the atmosphere on the surface below it. Next up, we have humidity. Humidity is a measure of the amount of water vapor present in the air. Following humidity, we have wind speed and direction. Wind speed measures how quickly the air is moving, while wind direction indicates the direction or point of the compass from which the wind is originating. Our last component is sky cover. Sky cover refers to the proportion of the sky that is obscured by clouds. This video is just a brief introduction to some of these weather components, but as we move along in this unit, we'll go into these weather components in more depth. In addition to focusing on these weather components, in this unit we will focus on understanding the relationship between weather patterns and heat transfer between the hydrosphere and atmosphere, appreciating the complexity of factors affecting weather dynamics, and analyzing meteorological data for a given time span and predicting future weather conditions. Now it's time to continue to the next video. Before you do, be sure to take a 30-second break, stand up and stretch, then continue on to the next video.